What's up, Amby TV? Today we are reviewing. Do you like it? I'll take that as a no. We're doing Juan's truck. What's Juan's truck's name?
Senor Tacos.
Yes, we are reviewing his truck. Since there's so many taco trucks in Pontiac, why not review them? So
he's on Baldwin.
Yep.
Right there in front of the Save-A-Lot.
So I got the chicken quesadilla. You feel me? It looked dry, but I don't think it's dry.
I got this big ass burrito.
And Legacy got the orange pop, but I'm not saying it right.
Jarrito.
Okay. It's orange Fanta.
It's Mandarin Jarrito.
I only got chicken and cheese because I'm gonna share with Legacy, and I want her to see if she likes it. Do you like the pop a lot?
She likes
it's your pop. It's supposed to be our pop, but I'll let her have it. Here, you want to try, mamas?
Yeah. You want to try some of them?
What kind of burrito you got?
Chicken and beef with jalapenos and cilantro and nacho cheese and rice and
this don't got nothing on it and it tastes really good. Girl, that is pop. I don't ever give her pop.
That's why she wants it.
Want to try this?
Bite it. Bite it. Bite it. Oh.
Aww.
Thank you. Your turn. Get you some. Yep. No, that's yours. Yum.
Yeah.
She likes it.
We'll take that as a yes for Legacy and yeah, this cheese and this is all slapping. His seasoning game is strong.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me drink some. Oh, this is not like orange Fanta.
Nope.
I lied. Your burrito is big. Look, put it up to her head, yo. Yeah.
Over burrito.
Oh no, you can't have that. It's spicy, mama. Here you go, mamas. You want to try this? Here, switch me. Try it. No?
She's still chewing.
What? I thought that was so good. Oh, you want that? Oh, because you want the pop. Oh, yes. I can keep going to Juan's truck for sure. At least his chicken's not dry. The seasoning slaps. And he has a new trailer truck, food truck.
No,
for fruit.
It's a drink truck.
It's a drink truck. So it has frozen drinks.
And fresh fruit.
Yeah, fresh fruit. So I might have to go back just to get that. Are you okay? Did you get it up your nose? She's never had this drink before, so forgive me. A
little bit of slap your mama.
Oh yeah.
The jalapenos give it some more kick to it too.
And you got nacho cheese on it too. I usually get jalapenos on mine, but due to the fact that I'm sharing. Do you like it? I got you, mamas. Well, that was your first pop drink. Is it okay? I like it.
You can't have none of this, baby. It's spicy. Look. Stop. No.
Here, you
Take a bite of mommy's.
Here, leg.
It's the same thing. Look. It's just flat. Yep. Look at that. Look. It's the same thing. See, there you go.
No, she wants your burrito. She wants Juan's burrito. Give her a little bite. Is it too spicy?
No, it's not crazy.
Okay. Sit down and Dad will give you a bite. Dad will give you a bite if you sit down. She's like, run me that burrito, bruh. Ready?
There you go.
How you feeling about it? Sit down, mama.
No. Sit down. Yep, sit down right there. There you go.
You like it? Yeah?
Yep.
She said, run another piece, Dad.
There you go.
You like it? Yeah. I like it a lot. I prefer to put jalapenos on it, but the seasoning itself is what I wanted to taste. And I would say he did great on that.
Oh, yeah.
And my daughter loves it, so... Right? Say, Dad, run me another burrito. She looked dead at you, yo. Can I eat my queso? You gonna eat another bite?
Ready?
She's looking at it.
She's still chewing.
She was like, this burrito is staring me into my soul.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I'm full. I still got a lot of burrito left.
Quesadilla.
Sorry.
I got a burrito.
I'm so used to getting burritos all the time. I'm never getting a... Oh, you want to run it?
Chicken. Grab the chicken. Okay. Yeah, eat that. Take that. Yep, there you go.
Full? I give Juan's truck, I would say a 10 out of 10 for the quesadilla. You want this still? And my daughter gives it 100 out of a 10. All she wants to do is eat it. And she'll let you know if she don't want to eat it or not.
Oh yeah, she get the smacking stuff away.
Huh? Yep. Oh yeah. Juan, you winning. I'm gonna go broke now because she was always gonna go to your truck. Yeah. Get it in there. Get it in there. That is big,
like
yo.
Jalapenos and the rice and chicken, and there's beef in there too.
Oh yeah. 1 out of 10.
A 12.
That's well. What kind of sauce is that?
This is the spicy sauce.
That's a spicy sauce? Look at that. Put it in the camera and show them how red that is. That shit look toxic. Like, I'm finna to poop later toxic. Right, Leg? She enjoying the quesadilla right now, so it's full of pop. No. You can have it. She was like, You like it, mamas? You tore up the burrito. I mean, the quesadilla. You were supposed to eat it, not destroy it. It's okay. It's okay. Is it hot? 1 out of 10.
It's okay. It's perfectly seasoned, but it's not like ridiculously spicy.
It's not like ghost pepper or...
No.
So it's just average?
Yeah, I give it like a...
What?
6.
What?
On the spice level.
You showing off your chain you got today, mamas? She's like, yeah. Well, good job, Juan. I would say you are very successful at the quesadillas and the burritos and feeding my child. What? Okay, run it. Run it there. Run it. All right. Like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what other place in Pontiac or around Michigan you guys like us to review and our daughter to review. Right, Leg?
Yep.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.